Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by getting the protein right, open 2 to 3 cans and drain thoroughly. Excess liquid dilutes flavor. Shred or chop the chicken into roughly 1/2 to 1 centimeter pieces so every bite mixes well. Next, measure 1/2 cup mayonnaise and add 1 to 2 tablespoons lemon juice. This gives richness and acidity. Once done, combine chicken and dressing in a bowl and toss lightly to coat. Doing this first speeds flavor absorption and prevents a soft. Now you focus on seasoning and texture. Start with 1 teaspoon salt and 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. Mix and taste, because canned chicken needs clear seasoning. Fold in 1/4 cup diced celery and 2 tablespoons chopped onion for crunch and contrast, and add herbs like parsley if you want freshness. If the mixture feels dry, add 1 to 2 tablespoons plain yogurt or another splash of mayo to reach your preferred creaminess. Once mixed, let it sit a few minutes so flavors begin to meld. Finish by chilling the salad for 20 to 30 minutes so flavors marry and textures settle. This step improves balance. When ready, you can serve on bread, stuffed in lettuce cups, or with crackers. Make sure to portion and refrigerate leftovers in a sealed container. Store up to 3 days. If the mix tastes too tangy, stir in 1 teaspoon sugar or a little more mayo to mellow acidity. Alternatively, add a pinch more salt to bring out savory notes and rebalance the bowl.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.